Welcome back to Frog on the Clock. We already showed you two of the brand new Barbie Fashionistas that just been released. And today we want to show you the brand new Barbie Fashionista number 125. And she is a curvy doll. But no worries, much more are on the way, because I ordered them all. So make sure to subscribe that you don't miss out on upcoming brand new Barbie Fashionista videos. And who knows, maybe another fashionista is already on the way. At the back of the box you can see more Barbie Fashionistas that will be available soon. I think they all look amazing and I can't wait to get them. But for now, let's get her out of the box. I think she looks very pretty. She has beautiful long purple hair with light curls at the bottom and brown eyes. She wears a very pretty one-piece dress with pink flowers on it and pink stitching and it Velcro at the back. And she completes her look with silver sunglasses and black shoes. She is articulated with movement at the head, shoulders and hip. I think she looks very pretty and I'm so happy to add her to my collection. Let us know what you think in the comment box below. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and follow us on Instagram at FrogOnTheClock. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.